Oh my god, he's so fucking happy.
Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna use the intro that I used yesterday. I was like really uncomfortable, and I don't know, I feel a little more comfortable today. So I'm probably just gonna cut the whole intro from yesterday, and I really don't want to, but I'll show you a few quick clips just to show you how bad it was. Here we go. I feel really uncomfortable in front of the camera right now, and I don't really know what to say. I feel like I'm probably looking around the room, and I forget what I was originally talking about. I don't know. Intro. Hey guys, I'm Ariana. Welcome to my channel. I'm not sure if it's just gonna be my channel or if I'm gonna share it with my boyfriend yet or not. So if it is just my channel, I think I'm just gonna name it Daily Beauty Co. because that's what my makeup Instagram account is. But if it's me and my boyfriend's channel, I really don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. Like, I don't want to just name it Nate and Ariana's Vlogs or like something like that. I want to be a little more creative. So yeah, I'll put yesterday's clips before, and then I'll put today's clips after. And yeah, just come along with me today.
Hi. I don't know what to do. Stop. It's Elisa. It's so cute.
What is it? Send me dog pics. That is my life. Mini hot dogs and a little basic bitch with our honey mustard.
Sephora, too broke, but going in anyways.
I want to pick this one.
This is literally like a mini robot.
Oh my god, he's so fluffy. He's so cute.
Golden retriever. Oh my god.
It's a golden retriever. I want one so bad. Puppy brawl. So cute. So fun story. I think this dog was here last time, and me and my boyfriend saw it, and he pooped and then walked away, and then came back and ate its own poop because I think it forgot it was there. And yeah, it's still here. I wonder why, because he eats poop.
Hi, baby. It looks like that guy from the Greasers.
Huh?
The guy from the Greasers.
Oh, why can't I remember what you're talking about?
The guy with his hair slicked back. That's what he looks like.
I have no idea what you're talking about. We're gonna play with this little puppy that's being drowned right there. This one. Because we want to play with the golden, but the golden's a new arrival, so we can't play with the golden. Waiting to play with this little baby. She might not be able to come in the room with me because she lost her license and her wallet. And we're not going to care about it right now just because we're going to play with the dog.
And then just for the safety chest.
Okay.
Or he actually.
Hi, baby!
So cute.
So many people.
Look at him. Oh my god.
To be
trying
honest,
to get out.
I wish I had her instead of Pepsi.
I know.
Look it. I called Nate when you were out in the car, trying to tell him that there was a sign saying like save 500 or something.
For the golden retriever.
I want the golden retriever.
Maybe your boyfriend will buy her one.
I need to talk him into letting us get a golden retriever. He wants a husky. What do you think Pepsi would do?
Pepsi would be so mad.
Probably try to eat it.
With the
I got
dogs.
my first dog from here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What kind of dog is it?
She's a Fringle.
Oh, friend.
Yeah, she's like really overweight. And her head's like the size of a peanut, and the rest of her is the size of a whale.
Hey, she's so bad.
I want to take you home. Maybe I'll take you here tomorrow. Show me the golden.
Hi, baby. I know. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
You smell like a pup.
No.
No.
Oh my god, he's so fucking happy. Hey. So crazy.
I don't want to send you back to the cage.
I do have to bring him back.
Okay.
Everybody try to come back tomorrow.
I know I'm really close to my face, but I don't want to get up right now. But I just got back from the mall with Lisa. There wasn't really much at the mall today. North Shore really isn't my favorite mall to go to, but it was the one that was close by. And then I fell in love with that little puppy. I actually wasn't going to play with her. I was going to play with the golden retriever because I want a golden retriever so bad and I want to name it Honey. But it was on the sign it said new arrival, and I guess you're not allowed to play with any of the new arrivals. So I played with the little dog. She looked like a Cocker Spaniel, but she wasn't. It was like a really long name. I don't remember what it was. And actually beforehand, someone warned me, like one of the people just walking around, saying that those dogs pee on people when they get excited. But I thought she was too cute. I didn't care if she would pee on me, but she didn't. But she was way too cute. So today, the rest of the day, I'm just going to hang in. I just got back. It's like 8:30. And tomorrow, I'm going to hang out with Nate, and hopefully I can see if he wants to go back to the pet store. Maybe get a dog, maybe. Probably not, but I hope so. I wish. So I'm going to spend the day with him tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I spent it with my friend Lisa. We went to the mall, we got to play with puppies, and I got to play with the most adorable little puppy, and I know it. But anyway, since I'm going to be spending the day with my boyfriend, obviously I want to look as cute as I can be because it's like our Valentine's Day. So obviously I just woke up, I look like trash, and we got to do something about that. I forgot that I didn't have my ring on. My boyfriend got me this little Pandora ring for, I don't remember, maybe my birthday or one of our anniversaries. I think my birthday though. I have such a bad memory, I don't remember. But it's really cute. So first things first, we gotta change outfits. And now I know since I'm breaking out, I really shouldn't wear makeup, and usually during the week I don't. But today, since I said we do want to look cute, we're gonna put on some makeup, so we'll just do that. Done. It's really extra. Alright, so now would probably be a good idea that we smell good. So I got Dove deodorant that sucks, and I feel like right when I put it on, I smell it again like 5 minutes later. I just sweat a lot, and maybe it's just the smell of the deodorant, but I don't like it at all. And then we got warm vanilla sugar perfume, and then Love Addict from Victoria's Secret. But I'm feeling like I want to smell like some warm vanilla sugar today. I love the smell of vanilla. It's like my favorite. Real quick, I want to just show how cute of a girlfriend I am. I like making my cards. I make every single card. I don't like going out and buying them because I just feel like it's not as like sentimental or just real. So I like making them. And this one is supposed to be like a funny one. I found like all the inside stuff from Pinterest.
So fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
anything else to do besides just wait for my boyfriend now. And he was supposed to get here earlier, but now he can't get out of school early because it's the test last block. So I'll see him when he gets here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah,
That sucked.
oh, my shirt. Ah. Shit.
Told her only partly, I only love my bed and mom, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Tapping it.
Yeah. Hey, you can't do that. Okay. Get out of here. Go over there. Go. Go, go. Get out of here. What's up?
For the win.
Yes!
For the win again. Who just lost?
Rematch.
He just lost. To me. For the first time. So we just tried recording, and we recorded the whole thing, and I didn't click record the whole time.
Damn, babe.
I'm so quiet.
See what she does.
So again, how did it feel losing at pool for the first time by me?
It was the first time, the only time it's gonna happen, so.
The only time it was being recorded, and I won.
Yep. It's the only time she's gonna ever win.
I lost the second
In
time.
any sport game or any event.
I
So I'm
lose
the
to
winner.
him at foosball
I'm the
every
winner.
time. I can kick his ass in Wii Sports. Any day, anytime.
No?
Hit me up.
When was this?
Hit me up.
When was this? I always beat you.
You never beat me.
Alright, she's obviously lying, so.
I feel like my hand's sweating so much, I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone on my face.
Okay.
But we're gonna watch Shameless, our last episode. It better be worth it. Of whatever last season it was. The other one's on TV now. Can't watch it because it's Showtime. We don't have Showtime. So we're gonna go out today because it's supposed to be warm, but it ended up being cold as shit. So we're hiding in my dorm.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. I didn't even go outside today, but when I opened the door for him, it was freezing. So we're laying with, pants unbuttoned after some nice pizza.
Yep.
And we're gonna relax and watch Shameless.
Yeah.
Any final words?
Peace out, everyone.
Peace.